All right, Thursday workout, last one of the week. Hopefully you guys will stay active in this long weekend. So 10 jacks, 180 turns, and I'll go sideways. And 10 of those. And then we'll do 8 squats to our knees and an arch. And I did make that a big arch. Really open up. Push my belly. For me, it's the side of my yard. We'll do 2 more. Get my shoulders back. Keep my shoulders back, head up in a good position in that whole thing. We got 4 push-ups. On our push-ups. And then side skip and foot grab. I'm reaching to the ceiling, reminding myself to keep that arm straight. And forward lunge and side roll. We'll do 4 of these. Forward lunge, hip to knee. Now I want to bring this back knee against my body on that. So I'm in a tuck on my hip and shoulder. Side roll. Hip to heel, knees to my body for that tuck. And good hip and shoulder side roll. Bear crawl on tabletop. Knees stay close. Back stays parallel. On that, and then go right into 4 more push-ups. On that, skipping with 360s, and I'll come at you and back. I need a little more practice on those. Good little interesting challenge. Lateral lunge to a folding stretch. Here, hip gets behind the heel. Then I come in that V position, grab my elbows. It's just a relaxed hang. Then into our other side. Just folding. Here, let my head point to the ground on that. There. Then we'll go hip heist. Remember, it's that turtle, but we take it in to a crab. Opposite arm and opposite leg. Just pivot on that. We'll go 4 one way and 4 the other. And finish this off with 4 good push-ups. And there you go. That's your Thursday movement workout.